Hello. In this video, I will show you how to add categories on Google Calendar. Now, it's extremely easy process. So, what you have to do is firstly, just simply open your Google Calendar. Now, once you're on your Google Calendar, you will find a lot of options. But the option that you're looking for is other calendars right over here. You will have a small plus option right over here, which you can click on it to add other stuff on calendars. So, click on this. Now, among all the options, you have to choose create a new calendar. Now name the calendar whatever you want. So let's say, for example, name a new category. And now add a description. Now once you've done that, just click on create calendar. Now wait a few seconds. And after the new category is created, you will be able to see it right over here. If you go back to the calendar, you will be able to see the new category right over here. Now, let's say, for example, if you wanted to create a new task or a reminder or anything like that, and you want to add that task into the new category that you created, all you have to do is just simply try to create a label, put double click, then add whatever your title you want, add whatever description you want. Now, what you have to do is you have to choose the drop down menu right over here and click on the new category that you created. You can also change the color if you want to, as you can see right over here. Then click on save. And that will be added right over here. You can also hide and unhide all the things inside that category, as you can see right over here. Again, if you want to add something, just simply click on it. Then add whatever you want. And then all you have to do is just click on over here. Change it to new category, which you just created. Change the color if you want to. Click on save. And just like that, you will be able to add the new things into the new category that you created. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.